Star Speeder 1000, the most sophisticated and luxurious spaceliner in its class. While other space lines pack you in like a herd of tauntauns, Star Tours offers you the widest seats and the most legroom of any carrier. Every Star Speeder is equipped with the most reliable pilots,
Greetings from the flight deck.
advanced astromechs, and the latest IC360 camera trophies. With more flights to more destinations, why not take your tours with Star Tours?
What is going on down there?
Everything's under control. Situation normal.
What happened?
Everything's perfectly all right now. We're fine. We're all fine here now, thank you.
Let's keep it tight.
How are you?
Security United, I'm getting all kinds of warnings.
I do not have time to joke around, but if I did, I would tell you a very funny one about a Tusken Raider.
Hi friends, welcome in. You're gonna head on down to gate letter A, okay?
Thank you.
Yeah, gate letter A to your left, please. Gate letter A all the way up to your left.
Hi guys, I'm Annie in front of you. I have you guys in the all the way to the yellow line, okay?
Thank you.
I have you guys sit next.
All passengers, please prepare for immediate boarding.
Star Tours 1401, you are cleared for departure.
1401? That's us. We can't take off. The captain isn't on board.
Auto takeoff sequence initiated.
Excuse me, you don't seem to understand. I am not the captain. I am C-3PO.
1401, cleared for takeoff. Contact departure on frequency 429er.
Wait! R2-D2, I am not programmed to fly these things. Now just turn us around this instant before we get into trouble. I knew it!
Oh,
Don't shoot!
prepare to be boarded, Captain.
I'm afraid there's been a terrible mistake. I
We
am
know you have
C-3PO.
this rebel spy on board.
I've never seen that human before. Look here. Gotta go!
Don't underestimate my power.
No!
I want that spy.
God, Sergeant! Someone could get Lightspeed Autumn! Warning, hold on. Thruster malfunction. Thrusters? Are they important?
Star Tours, this is a restricted area. What are you doing here?
I have no idea!
Stay clear of the combat zone.
Combat zone? Oh, no! We've been hit! Brace yourselves! Nobody move! I mean everybody move! Lean back! Do not believe! Oh, do something! The transmission.
This is Admiral Akbar. By now you know that your Star Speeder is carrying an agent vital to our rebel cause.
The spy.
Precisely. Deliver them safely to the rendezvous point I am transmitting to your R2 unit. Good luck, and may the Force be with you.
What are you saying? This is madness! don't like the look of this. Yes, I do believe these are Virgil. Virgil are the legendary space whales. Quite extraordinary. And so serene. Oh no!
Star Tours. It's 2 against 1 here. Could use some help.
Oh, will it ever end?
Nicely done, Star Tours. Appreciate the help.
R2-D2, don't you dare!
Safe travels. Good to see you again, R2.
SD-401, welcome back.
We will be landing shortly. I do hope you have enjoyed your flight and watch out!
That's my ship.
On behalf of Scouters, thank you for joining us.
Please remain seated until the captain has opened the exit doors. You may then unlatch your safety restraints by pressing the release button on your left. Make sure you have all your personal belongings as you exit. Thank you for flying Star Tours. Bye-bye.